The Methuselah tree is a bristlecone pine tree, Pinus longiva, located in the White Mountains of California, USA. It is named after the biblical figure Methuselah, known for his long lifespan. The Methuselah tree is famous for being one of the oldest known living organisms on Earth. While the exact age of the Methuselah tree is not publicly disclosed to protect it from potential harm, it is estimated to be over 4,800 years old. This makes it one of the oldest known non-clonal living organisms on the planet. The age of the Methuselah tree is determined through a combination of growth ring analysis and carbon dating techniques. The location of the Methuselah tree is intentionally kept confidential to ensure its protection, as it is considered a natural treasure. However, visitors can explore the nearby ancient bristlecone pine forest, where they can encounter other ancient and remarkable bristlecone pine trees, some of which are also estimated to be thousands of years old. The Britain and Zanzibar War, also known as the Anglo-Zanzibar War, holds the record for being the shortest recorded war in history. It occurred on August 27, 1896, and lasted for approximately 38 minutes. The conflict arose due to a succession dispute in Zanzibar, a sultanate located on the east coast of Africa, present-day Tanzania. When the pro-British Sultan Hamad bin Thuwaini passed away, his nephew Khalid bin Barghash declared himself the new sultan without the approval of the British authorities. The British, concerned about their influence and interests in Zanzibar, demanded that Khalid bin Barghash step down and support another candidate, Sultan Hamad bin Muhammad, who was more favorable to British interests. However, Khalid refused to comply. Honey never spoils. Honey has an extremely low moisture content, around 18%, which makes it inhospitable for the growth of bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms that can cause spoilage. The low water activity in honey means that it contains very little free water available for microorganisms to utilize for growth and reproduction. Honey has natural antibacterial properties due to its low pH, between 3.2 and 4.5 enzymes, and the presence of hydrogen peroxide. These factors contribute to honey's ability to inhibit the growth of bacteria. Angel Falls, located in Venezuela, is the highest waterfall in the world. Here are some key facts about Angel Falls. Angel Falls has a total height of approximately 979 meters, 3,212 feet. The waterfall consists of a single uninterrupted drop from the summit of Ollantaytambo, a tabletop mountain in the Canaima National Park, Venezuela. The falls were named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who was the first to fly over the falls in 1933. He later returned in 1937 and crash-landed his plane on top of Ollantaytambo, making headlines around the world. The indigenous Pemon people, who inhabit the region, have their own name for the falls, Karapakupai Meru, which means waterfall of the deepest place. Saturn's density is relatively low compared to many other objects in our solar system. Here are some facts about Saturn's density. Average density: Saturn has an average density of about 0.687 grams per cubic centimeter, g/cm superscript 3, which is less than the average density of water, 1 g/cm superscript 3. This makes Saturn less dense than Earth, which has an average density of about 5.52 g/cm superscript 3. Gas giant: Saturn is classified as a gas giant, along with Jupiter and the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Gas giants are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of other elements. Cows are social animals that naturally form social hierarchies within their herds. They engage in complex social interactions and develop social bonds with other cows. They can establish long-lasting relationships based on mutual familiarity, companionship, and comfort. Studies have shown that cows prefer to spend time with specific individuals over others. They display signs of distress when separated from their preferred companions and exhibit behaviors such as grooming, nuzzling, and resting together. Cows have been observed to form strong bonds with their herd mates, particularly with those they have spent more time with or are related to. Furthermore, cows can also form cross-species friendships. For example, they have been observed developing close relationships with other animals such as goats, horses, or dogs. These interspecies friendships can provide companionship and a sense of comfort for the cows. Yes, that's correct. Istanbul, formerly known as Byzantium and Constantinople, is a unique city that spans two continents, Europe and Asia. Here are some facts about Istanbul's transcontinental nature. Geographical location: Istanbul is located at the narrow strait known as the Bosporus, which connects the Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara. The city is situated on both sides of the Bosporus, with the European side to the west and the Asian side to the east. European and Asian sections. The European side of Istanbul is where the historic and cultural center of the city is located, including landmarks like the Hagia Sophia, Blue Mosque, and Topkapi Palace. The Asian side, also known as Anatolian Istanbul, is less densely populated and is characterized by residential areas and neighborhoods. Bosporus Bridge and Eurasia Tunnel. Istanbul is connected by several bridges and tunnels that span the Bosporus Strait. The Bosporus Bridge, also called the July 15 Martyrs Bridge, and the Eurasia Tunnel provide crucial transportation links between the European and Asian sides. Strategic importance. Istanbul's strategic location has historically made it a significant center for trade, culture, and politics. Its position at the crossroads of Europe and Asia has influenced its development and cultural heritage. The world's oldest known musical instrument is a flute made from bird bone and mammoth ivory. Here are some facts about this ancient flute. Discovery: the flute was discovered in 2008 by archaeologists in the Hohlfels cave in the Swabian Jura region of Germany. The cave has been a rich archaeological site, revealing important artifacts from the Paleolithic era. Age: the flute is estimated to be approximately 40,000 years old, dating back to the Upper Paleolithic period. This makes it one of the earliest examples of human musical expression. Construction: the flute is made from the wing bone of a griffon vulture, a large bird, and has 4 finger holes. It is approximately 21.8 centimeters, 8.6 inches, long. The flute's mouthpiece is made from mammoth ivory and features a V-shaped notch.